Hello, Technology Crazy here, and today I'll be teaching you how to speed up your internet. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about something called DNS, which is basically stands for Domain Name System, and it's what gives websites the name that you type into your web browser. Now, for example, when you go to google.com, you're not actually going to google.com, you're actually going to 74.125.224.72, which if you type that into your web browser, you'll actually get to Google, and that's the IP address of Google's server. Now, the problem is no one will ever remember that number to get to the website, so that's where Domain Name System comes in, DNS, which basically gives names to those numbers. Now, when you type in Google, your computer will actually send that google.com to a DNS server, which will point it to the correct IP address, and then your computer can connect to that Google server and download the information. Now, this all happens really fast, but apparently not fast enough. So today, we're actually going to be hooking up to a separate DNS server that's even faster than your one you have right now, and that will basically speed up how fast you get the IP address and how fast you can get to that website or the page. So pages will load faster, basically. Okay, so step one is to find a really fast DNS server. Now, in the description, I'll have a whole bunch of DNS servers that are really fast, but unfortunately, it's different for where you live. So that's where a program called Namebench comes in. Namebench is available on Mac and PC, and basically it analyzes your network and finds the very fastest DNS servers for you. Now, I have all the download links in the description of Namebench for Mac and Windows. Now, Mac Mountain Lion doesn't work properly, so I made a separate one for that and actually fixed it. So if you want to use the fixed version of Mountain Lion, otherwise it won't work. But just download that, run it, and it will take about 20 minutes. So analyze your network, find the best DNS servers, and give you the top 3. Now, once you have the 3 DNS servers and you're on Mac, make sure you go to System Preferences, and press on Network, and then press Advanced, and press DNS, and then press the Add symbol at the bottom left-hand corner, and you can add each one of the 3 DNS servers. Unfortunately, if you're using Windows 7, it will be a little bit harder. But basically, if you go to Network and Sharing Center, you can search that in Windows Search to get there really fast, then click on Change Adapter Settings in the left-hand panel. This will bring up all the adapters that are present on your computer. Most people will choose local area connection, but if you're using a laptop that uses wireless, right-click on wireless. So either right-click on local or right-click on wireless, depending on what you're using, then go to Properties. Then you're going to go and find Internet Protocol version 4 and highlight that. And then you're going to press on Properties. And then here you can actually change the DNS servers. And once you're done, press OK and you're good to go. Anyways, I guess that concludes this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends. I would really appreciate it when you guys do.